Hi everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 231, power of 2. So it's a really easy problem to solve, and we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which we're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So let's start with the problem statement. It is given that we'll get a integer and we have to return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise we'll have to return false. And as you all know, what does a power of 2 means. So an integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an x such that n is equals to 2 raised to the power x. Okay, and they have given these examples as well, which you can go through to understand what is it. For example, square of 2 is 4, cube of 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 16, and so on so forth. So we will be using bit manipulation to solve this problem, and it's going to be a really simple one. So what we will do, we will first start with our let's say we'll take another variable number, okay, and it will be 1 initially. So you can say that it's 2 raised to power 0. Okay, so this 1 is here. Okay, and if you know about bits, so 0 and 1 is called bits, and if we use this technique, we'll be using zeros and ones for all these uh, indexes or all these powers. So for example, 1 is equals to 2 raised to power 0. Now what I will do, I will left shift bit by 1 point. Okay, so what does that mean? Now this place is empty, it will be filled with a 0, and this is 1. Okay, if you see over here, this basically represents the powers, okay, or x in context of this question. So now current number is 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. Okay, again if you'll do the bit manipulation, again you will shift the bit towards the right, you will get your 1 here. Okay, and now it is what, 2 raised to power 2, which is 4. Again this number is like the current number is smaller than the number we were looking at. Okay, so what we will do, we will again shift our bit by 1. So now it is 2 raised to power 3. Okay, which will be 8. Again this number is smaller than this one, so we can again shift the bit by 1. Now we are at 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. Okay, so now this number we have and the number we were looking at are same. Then what we can do, we can return true. Okay, but let's suppose if we had 17 over here. Okay, if we had 17 over here, we have already looked till 16. Okay, we found that 16 is a power of 2, but 16 is less than 17. So what we will do, we will do one more move and shift the bit towards the left. Now we have 2 raised to power 5, which is 32. Okay, now this number is greater than 17, so we will not shift the bits further, but it is not equals to n. So in this case, what we will do, we will return false. So this is the complete logic. Let's check out the code for the same. So if you see what we are doing over here, we have initialized our number with 1, okay, which basically means 2 raised to power 0. Now until this number is less than or equal to the current value or to the given value of n, what we are trying to do, we are checking if number is equals to n or not. If it is, we are returning true. Otherwise what we are doing, we are shifting the bit by 1 position towards the left. Okay, and if we find the solution, if the number is a power of 2, it will definitely end up here, in which will return true. Otherwise we have return false at the parent indent. Okay, so if we don't find the number in the range, and we have already the current power we have will produce the number higher than n, then we'll return false. Let's check out the test cases. And the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation now. And as you can see, the test cases got passed, and I would say like we have performed fairly well. Last time I submitted, I think the score was around 90%, but yeah. So this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.